So this is what's going on. So this is the dash cam, right, from Cy, and I'm going down East Street. Okay, and there's 279. Okay, there's an overpass there, right, which is no big deal. And oh, we don't need the sound. So you know, you just come down here, and yeah, you're supposed to slow down at 10 miles an hour. That's cool. You get that. But like, this is a major choke point, you know. So there's traffic coming up here. You can't enter here. You have to turn left or right, and then these guys have to turn left. And there's 2 lanes, and it's the overpass over the highway, right?
Right.
So that's cool, but you don't expect to like see this when you turn. Like,
Whoa.
this lady is parked in the left-hand lane. So like that van that we saw is going to have to avoid her. So you come up here, and then all the traffic from the off-ramp comes here, you know? So everybody has to stop here. And she's just like parked there, right?
Wonderful.
Out of her car. Presumably she parked there, unless she left it there overnight and the snow came. And here's why she's parked there. Check it. This is why she's parked there. Look at what she's doing.
What is that?
She's brushing the snow off of her rear window. She decided like, oh, okay, I didn't do it before I got in the car. Presumably, if she got in the car, she drove to there. And then she said, oh, I better stop and brush the snow off my car. What a place to stop, right? Like, why wouldn't you stop somewhere? She had to come from somewhere else. Unless she left her car there. It was like abandoned or something, and then she came back for it. But like, how dangerous is that?
Oh, pretty dangerous.
Unbelievable.
Pretty dangerous.
So I'm sharing this with the internet. Everybody out there, you got good stories about dangerous traffic scenarios, share them with me and subscribe because it helps the channel. And don't do this. Don't do that. Stay away from people like that. All right. I'll talk to you guys. Thanks for put your comments in the comments. I'll talk to you.